You're just at the right spot if you're looking for a nice, healthy, high-protein breakfast that you can prep easily ahead of time, ahead of a busy schedule. Starting with these amazing egg muffins. So we're going to keep everything really nice and simple. In this large bowl here or measuring cup, just crack in all of your eggs. And this here is one of my favorite ingredients to put in eggs, especially omelets. All it is some cottage cheese that I've already pulsed using a hand immersion blender. You don't have to do it, but that smooth texture, it blends so well and adds to the cheesiness level in the eggs. But with the chunks, like it comes in the box, that will be good as well. And pureeing it is completely optional. Then add in some of your jalapenos, your chives, finely chopped for a nice oniony flavor. Crumble in your bacon. I like it nice and crispy. And then a nice Mexican blend of cheese for a bit of picante. Now season that with salt and pepper. Now just give it all a really good mix. Then you get a really nice and thick mixture just like this. Now make sure to grease this muffin tray really well. You don't want the eggs to get stuck at all. And now to start adding in the eggs, go about 3/4 of the way from the bottom. My oven's been heating at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and to prevent the eggs from drying out or browning too quickly, we'll put a tray of water in the bottom and we'll bake the eggs on the middle rack. And just to be on the safe side, in case you're not sure if your oven bakes evenly, just turn the pan around halfway along the cooking time. It has been about 25 minutes and the skewer here comes out perfectly clean. Just let these egg muffins just sit and cool down slightly before you try to lift them off. These egg muffins will easily last for up to 4 days in the fridge, or you can even freeze it for long-term storage. To reheat it, simply preheat the oven at 300 degrees Fahrenheit if you want to have it fresh, or if you're in a rush in the morning, microwave and head to work. If you want another simple egg recipe in the oven, check out my simple egg souffle.